Hello everybody, the spring is already here, and so we took the part of our cars outside the garage, those ones with convertible roof. So I decided to show you how we do it, and at the second half of this video you will see also the review of I think one of the most unique cars from our collection, UK Kitcar, based on 126, named Fiat 126 CC0. So enjoy another part of 126 Fanatics.
So this is CC0, one of the 21 produced pieces made by UK company named Carcraft. We bought this car in quite poor condition, very deeply rusted, all mechanical parts, and was needed to replace almost all of them. We wanted to keep the bodywork in original condition because we bought it in original paint job, as it was made new. So we only changed all mechanical parts, renovated, and prepare all of them to be mounted back to make a car 100% usable and make it possible to prove MOT. Bodywork of this unique car is made by the square metal profiles, aluminium sheets and fiberglass. This car is using almost all mechanical parts from 126, but is much more lighter, have only 385 kilograms, so the performance is much more better than at ordinary 126, and is very big pleasure and fun to drive it. Father was driving this car 2 years in the Regularity Hill Climb Challenge, and is a champion and vice champion of 2 years this championship with the CC0, and was very big fun to drive it. Father loved this car so much that he made also car models and even the RC metal model, which is the exact copy of the CC0. In 2017 we bought another one, and we made a complete renovation of it, and currently is sold to its new owner, and it's also in Slovakia. We will maybe come back in the future to show you more about the complete renovation of this beautiful car. And now we are almost at the end of this part of 126 Fanatics. Hope you have enjoyed it, and looking forward to see you in another part. If you like it, and if you want to be sure that you will see also next parts with our cars and our 126 Fanatics lives, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share. See you soon, guys.